To be an insight-driven business is critically important today. When you can't see around the corners, when you have blind spots in your business, you don't know what you don't know. Your strategic decisions are operating in a vacuum. You're working off of hearsay and innuendo versus fact, and those can trip you up. You can miss those opportunities with customers when they are ready to engage with you and buy your products and services. You can miss the changes and trends within the market itself, either with your customers or, more importantly today, where your competition is going. So really, to be an insight-driven business is your ability to have eyes and ears everywhere, to make the right decisions, take the right actions, and achieve those great outcomes. You don't just start with insights. It begins with the data. The data that you're collecting about your business activities, processes, decisions, what your customers tell you about themselves, and what the market is also contributing, both from a competitive standpoint and just general trends that you're seeing emerging within your industry. Being able to have vast amounts of information that really paint a clear picture of the environment that your business operates in is really, really important. It is then your ability to take that information, refine that into knowledge through analytics so that the insights answer the questions that you have or help you peer into areas that you weren't even thinking about.